So what I've done here with the super sud sucker is it's not sucking chemical. So I've loosened off the clamp, unscrewed the injector, I've taken out the little spring that sits on top of that ball. You can see that ball is not moving. There's no water coming out. So that means it's all blocked up and it's jammed there. So what we're going to do is going to grab a little screwdriver. We're going to pop that ball. All right, so we just popped the ball. So you can see the water is traveling out through that injector now. You can see that ball is rattling around in there. And that's because it's just gravity feeding from the injector all the way up there, because we're lower than the tank. If we put it up here, it stops. You can see the ball in there. As soon as we lower it down past the tank, it starts moving. So that's a key tail sign. If you're not pulling chemicals, that's the main reason, is that ball's just jammed. If you haven't used your injector for a day or two, or you use it flat out and you got a lot of chlorine there, you didn't rinse it out properly, it's just pop that ball and away you go. So what we can do is, because you see it stops there, so you can put the spring in, we'll screw it back up in there, hose clamp, and away we go. So put it all back together. What we'll do is whack on the machine, turn it on, and we'll have chemical. So you can hear the injector pulling. Right there. So about 25 seconds, 30 seconds, and you got chemical. You can see it right there, getting more and more.